Today, we will make a lemon cake in the air fryer, and I'll show you the oven method too. Don't worry, it would be a shame to miss this. To prepare the cake batter, you will combine the cooled melted butter with the sugar. Next, combine the flour and almond powder together before adding. Remember to get baking powder and soda? I almost forgot. Baking soda adds moisture. If you don't have it, use 2 teaspoons of baking powder instead. Then you add the eggs one by one, mixing well between each addition. If you enjoy this recipe, I hope you will subscribe to the channel as usual. Also, click the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, just click the join button. I will provide all the information in the description. You add the zest of 1 lemon. To adjust, squeeze 2 or 3 lemons depending on their size for around 120 milliliters of juice. I have listed all the ingredients and tools I use below the video. Just click on the small plus sign. Pour everything into a buttered and floured 28 centimeter cake mold. I recommend placing it in the refrigerator for an hour, as the hot-cold contrast will help the cake rise well. Then, to create a nice crack in the center of the cake, I place small sticks of butter all along my cake. It's not mandatory, but it makes for a prettier cake. If you bake it in the oven, you should place it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees, then 30 minutes at 160 degrees. For air fryer cooking, it's 10 minutes at 180 degrees, followed by 30 minutes at 140 degrees. Here, I set my air fryer to bake mode based on the model. And as soon as it comes out of the oven or air fryer, I prepared a little syrup to add even more moisture. To do this, boil lemon juice and sugar, then pour it directly over the hot cake. Let it cool like this, in its mold. And look, we're going to open a slice. We really have a super soft interior. It's nicely lemony, pleasantly tangy. It's absolutely divine.